Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, I'm with the Club. Club, you know where we're going to today?
I have no idea.
Have you ever heard of Marky Mark?
No.
Have you ever heard of Mark Wahlberg?
No.
Have you ever heard of Wahlburgers?
Is that like Taco Bell?
You don't know who Mark Wahlberg is.
I don't even have eyeballs, dude.
Well, the Wahlberg brothers got together. They opened up a restaurant called Wahlburgers. There's 26 locations. 2 of them are in LA. We're going to go check one out. There's a reality show based around it. I thought you being all up on pop culture, you'd be aware of Wahlburgers. Apparently not. Well, that's where we're going today. Expect a burger.
Can we stop and see Bobino real quick?
Okay. So Chaparral, yeah, they had the bike. They did a bunch of stuff to it. Just some maintenance stuff. There's nothing really wrong with it. It needed brakes, chain, sprocket, and tires, and an oil change. Got it back, it's all good, running great. Chaparral helped me get this thing to 100,000 miles. I don't know, man. It's gonna take a long time to make it to 100,000. So it's kind of a big weekend around here for motorcycles. The Born Free show is happening. You're probably wondering why I'm not there. I don't know. I've gone a few times. It's not that fun for me. Instead, we're gonna go see Bob and go to Wahlburgers. Maybe next year, Born Free. Maybe next year. If you guys don't know what Born Free is, it's basically a bunch of retro bikes, man. Like old chopper styles. I do imagine we'll see a lot of bikes broken down on the side of the road. I also imagine Cook's Corner is gonna be crazy busy. Yeah. This is goddamn. Oh, you know what? There's something happening that I forgot to tell you guys about. Coming up in a couple of weeks, the whole Voss crew, we're coming out to Vancouver. We're gonna do some riding with you. I'll tell you about it when I get off the bike. Because we're going to LA, we don't have a whole lot of time. I know Kleb's got some stuff happening later on in the day. We're just gonna raid Bob and head out. Bobby, Bobby, Bobby. Bobby, Bobby. How you doing, sir? Bob's taking a nap. I just woke him abruptly.
He is taking a nap.
Bob, come on. It's middle of the day. You been drinking again, son? Oh, man. Show some professionalism.
I got something here for you.
What do we got?
One of your fans left it for you.
Dude, it's just like the key tag that I have and the shirt. I've got a shirt that looks just like this. Are you raking it?
Yeah, I'm just kind of touching it up. Perfect.
This is cool. Do you know what these stars stand for?
I don't.
5 years of mayhem.
Oh, nice.
There is a note. People aren't trusting Bob anymore. They're going right to you.
They are.
My daughter made this for you. We all watch her YouTube channel. We asked her to paint this for you. You can't soar with eagles if you're afraid of heights. That's a reference to the video I made with Moto Geo, where I was terrified of being on top of this rock. Thank you for the gift. There's no name, but there's an Instagram, so I'll make sure I tag that. Thanks for being the keeper.
Yep.
I feel like I should tip you.
Just gonna rake his hair?
You're raking his hair.
Yeah. I'm gonna rake his nose and his eyeballs.
We're gonna get Bob some stuff right now. Suburban Delinquent sticker in this pocket. Suburban Delinquent sticker in this pocket. Ooh, and I got some Chaparral $10 gift cards. Place these strategically with Bob.
Gonna give him a good old packing. He's packing 10 bucks and reaching into the sleeve. That way nobody's gonna find it before this video, so this will still be here. It's gonna be inside the sleeve of the good old Bobino. Be underneath the pop-up coffee boy. And no one will find that until this video's live, so come on down, get it.
Alright, well that's it. Let's go eat cheeseburgers. Thank you. Oh, sorry, Taco Bell dog. Gotta break in those new tires. These guys went way out in the, oh my god, what the You guys are true rebels. Oh I gotta pull over. We're going to Vancouver in a couple of weeks. We gotta talk about Vancouver. Let's go up there, it's too loud here. Totally forgot about our Vancouver trip. We gotta let everybody know about that. We're going to Vancouver. We're doing this river run with Voss Helmets, the whole Voss team, right? We got Girl on Her Bike, Vroom Vroom Dana, 6'4" Honda, you and me. Vancouver, we're going to do this river run. I guess it's like their second or third one. What's the dates on that?
All right, so we're looking at July 28th, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Vancouver, starting at the Voss HQ. We're going to go on a puppy ride. It's going to be great. Kind of like SCMM, but for all you Canadian Maple Leafs.
We're doing a meet and greet and a ride. Come on out. If you're in the Vancouver, you're remotely close to it, or you can get there, come out and ride with us, man. We're looking forward to seeing you. We're going to have some stickers for everybody. We're going to have some good times, and we're going to be filming. Come ride with the Voss crew.
There's going to be some free food at the final spot after the ride.
They're going to have free food?
Huh?
They're going to have free food?
Apparently.
Oh, good. I like food. Anyway, that's what's happening in Vancouver, July 28th, Saturday. I hope to see you guys there, man. It's going to be a good time. It's going to be fun, huh?
Yeah, bring your mustaches.
Bring your mustaches. I don't think this is going to end well. What? He found a trail. I never knew this was here. You're... What's wrong with this guy? Okay, yeah, I hope to see everybody at the river run. Big shout out to Voss for putting this all together. That'd be fun. I'm having troubles.
Yeah, I'm totally freaked out right now. I'm from Minnesota, and I knew that if I'd ride some canyon roads, I'd totally see like you or Baker or something.
What? You came all the way up from where?
Minnesota.
To ride here?
Yeah,
to
find you.
To find us?
Dude.
No, you didn't.
Meet you. I love your shit.
What are you doing out here? Did you come for Born Free?
No, I don't know what that is.
So you came out hoping that you'd run into one of us out in this area?
Yeah.
And you did?
I did.
What's your name?
Tyler.
Tyler. Nice to meet you, Tyler. So you don't have any plans?
No, not really.
You're wide open. You want to come to LA with us and get food?
Yes.
You're invited. We're going to Wahlburgers.
Wahlburgers.
You know about Wahlburgers?
Nope.
Do you know who Marky Mark is?
I fucking love Marky Mark.
You like the Funky Bunch and Marky Mark?
Mostly just Marky Mark.
Do you wear Calvin Klein underwear?
Do I?
Do you listen to New Kids on the Block? Do you watch Blvds?
Yeah.
Wahlburgers is for you. Don't run into me.
I'll try not to.
Have a bush. Have $10 to Chaparral. So that's pretty cool. A guy just came out on a road trip from Minnesota. That's all right, man. That worked out. Forgot his name already, though. Whoops. I ain't no goddamn son of a bitch. You better think about it, baby. I ain't no goddamn son of a bitch. You better think about it, baby. I'm going to take this opportunity to tell you a little bit about the place we're going to today. Wahlburgers. Wahlburgers was established by the Wahlberg brothers in Hingham, Massachusetts. When? I'm not sure. I couldn't figure that out. But I imagine somewhere around 2014. Anyway, the second one being in Toronto, Canada, which I do believe did open in 2014. Sorry if I got these dates wrong. Since the opening of the first Wahlburgers, there are now 26 locations, spanning in a whole bunch of states, and with 2 being in California. One's in West Hollywood and the other one's in USC Village. Today we're going to go to the one in USC Village. We're always in Hollywood. We're going to change it up a little bit. Unless you've been living under a rock, you already know who Mark or Donnie Wahlberg is, or you probably watched the TV show Wahlburgers on A&E. I know I do. Well, that's about all I got on the place we're going to today. Hopefully the food's good. Maybe we'll run into Jenny McCarthy. Fingers crossed, but I doubt it. We got an hour ride to get there, and we can't get there soon enough. I'm starving Marvin over here. Sticks. We're gonna race this Corvette right now. Boom! I got him! For whatever reason, my bike is annoyingly loud today. Oh, he wants to race me in the white line. He came close. Slug bug pow. Hi. Rough. fun on-ramp right there. A little nervous with the new tires. Haven't quite scuffed them up yet. But it held. It held. Sadly, I'm afraid we're going to be on the freeway for the next hour. That's right, Prius. You stay out of the carpool lane, you little bitch. Traffic's moving fast today. Oh, right in front of the CHP. We're so dicked. I think we're getting pulled over. I can't tell though. That sucks. I'm so bummed he got pulled over. Do you think that he was doing something in front of the cop? Why'd the cop single him out?
Yeah, I don't know.
The cop got over. I don't know if he wanted us all to pull over.
You slowed down. You saw, did he have his lights on behind us at first?
Yeah. The cop didn't care about us. The cop wanted him.
Yeah.
Tyler, I hope you come out of this okay without a fat ticket. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope we come across you at Wahlburgers. I feel bad. Sorry, Tyler. Get out of here, Prius. Damn things are everywhere. And another. And another. And another. Alright, next exit. That's us. Remember when I went there, Figueroa, Philly? Dude, that was a fun spot. Can I get through? Thanks. Alright, where is this place? It's gotta be close. This place is coming up on the right. Look, it's in there. How the hell are we gonna park?
I was born in that tree over there.
You were born over there?
Yeah.
We gotta find a spot to park. Wahlburgers. We're going to Wahlburgers. We're gonna see A-list actors.
I almost don't want to eat the burger. I just want to like rub it all over my face like I do sometimes. But
I'm gonna have the chef sign it and I'm gonna bring it home in my back pocket. I'm gonna order a burger. Chef's gonna sign it. Go ahead, sir. Skittered out, yo. What's that?
Park on the side over here, okay? Don't back. Okay.
Should I just go through? Okay. Look at this. This is wonderful. All right, dude. Wahlburgers, you ready? Wahlburgers, what do you think, Caleb?
tastes just like In-N-Out, but way overpriced. Never coming back, not even in 35 years. It did taste all right, but you know what? For that price, I'm never going to be back. I just can't do it.
We spent $30 on just 2 regular cheeseburgers and 2 small drinks. $30. The burger was all right. It's not worth the hour ride or the $15 price tag, so I won't be back. I'm sorry. Man, I really wanted to like this place. I like the TV show, and I think Marky Mark's pretty cool. You know, it might have been worth it if we would have came across Marky Mark or Donnie, right?
I'd have been back in 20 minutes.
Well, with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Check out Kleb's channel. Make sure you check out the website, suburbandelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. You also find out how to get that free key tag with that 5 years of Mayhem shirt. I definitely appreciate the Patreons. You guys make it worth it, I promise you that. Definitely feels good knowing you guys are standing behind me. Big shout out to the channel sponsors, Chaparral Motorsports, the law offices of Henry Haddad and Voss Helmets. Links in the description of the videos for all them. I'll catch you guys later.